Hey guys, it's Shane from English Understood here. A very common question I get all the time is, what's the difference between no and not? And this is a really good question because no and not are really common words in English, so it's important you are using them correctly. Let's start with no first. One of the first uses of no is to answer a question, right? Do you like ice cream? No, I don't. Do you like shopping? No, I don't. The second way we use no is before a noun phrase with no article. So for example, we could say, no children allowed. No children allowed. Or we could say, there's no way that we can do this. With children and with way, there's no article before them, so we can use no. Now, when we're using not, one of the main uses of not is to show the opposite of something. For example, I do like ice cream. I do not like ice cream. I do like shopping. I do not like shopping. We can also use not with nouns that have articles and adjectives. So for example, I want the blue one, not the red one. Not the red one. Or we can say, he is not friendly. Friendly is an adjective, right? So we can use not before friendly. He is not friendly. So now you understand the basics of how to use no and not. But just remember, these are very basic rules and there will always be exceptions to the rules.